This is a Android streaming device, 18 bucks at Walmart. And I'm gonna show you how to set it up with Q streaming and make money. So follow me for the ride and how to get free cable, every channel you want, every news program, every sports channel, everything, including pay-per-view with this. Important note, so at this point, all we've done is we've installed the box, went through the simple setup. You can choose either to hook it up to Google Home or not, and it's uploading its programs, getting ready to go. Get right back with you. Okay, it's loaded up. All we've done is we went to the apps on the top of the deal, and we're going to go down to the search, and then we're going to push the voice deal, downloader.
Results for downloader on the apps tab.
And there it is, that one right there. We're going to select that. We're going to go ahead and install it. It's going to install. Be right back. You can see this. All we've done is we've opened the downloader app and we've typed this in the search bar. QAPK.com. It's CUEAPK.com. And we're going to hit enter. And it's going to connect and download the program. And it's going to say something about uninstalling another outside program. You just install it, okay? Here it is right here. Here it's talking about uninstall unknown apps. So we're going to go ahead and click that. It's going to say install. We're going to install the Q. Once it's installed, we just load it up and we push add new source. Q streaming. We'll go ahead and select Q streaming right there. We go to next. And here we're going to skip the server. We'll go down one. We're going to put our username and our password that we use to enroll in this section right here. And I'll go ahead and put that in right now, put mine in there, be right back. So I put in my password and my username and I push done. And now I'm not going to change this. I'm just going to hit next. Okay. And then I'm going to push over one to add. Okay. It's going to say new source, Q streaming. We'll go over here to add or done. And then it's going to start uploading. And it's going to load 1,300 channels on your TV. The nice thing about this is if you got an Airbnb and you can have up to 5 users on one account, okay? 5 devices. So that, you can have this for 18 bucks, you can have it everywhere. All right? So it's loaded. It's that simple. There ain't nothing to it. I'm going to push the close button. It's going to load.
From here, you can browse over
and there's
to the
Q.
TV series.
Now we'll talk about some features. Now I'm just going to push the down button. Are you ready? That's all local news, ABC affiliates. We get to the ABCs. Okay. C-SPAN. CBS in local areas. So you get local news. Little Rock gets 2 channels. Fayetteville. All right. So CBS. Remember, we got 1,300 channels to go. Okay, there's all this. Disney. ESPN, every ESPN you got what you wanted. Fox, all of Fox's. Fox News, Fox local stations. Fox. Fox, some more Fox. Fox some more. Fox some more. It's going to be a long video. Golf table. There's golf. Here's HBO's. There's Home Shopping Network, all that stuff right there. I don't know what that is. Let's see, there's MTV. Music Choice. Some more music. There's more NBC. I ain't got a tripod. That's this tall. NBC. Local NBC, everyone. There's the NCAA, all the games for the college games. More case, New England. Nickelodeon Junior. Ovation Oxygen. Pac-12 Conference. QVC. Reels. Right there. Retro TV. Root Sports Science. Showtime. Showtime West. Showtime Extreme. Family. Showbiz Smithsonian. Sports Network. Sportsnet. Stars. All the stars right there. Encore, Stars in Black, Stars in White, TBS, Teen Nick, Telemundo, the Cowboy Channel, TNT. It goes on and on. UFC Channel, USA. There's the NFL Sunday when it's rolling. Here's all the pay-per-views that are free. There's 20 channels. There's a Major League Baseball channel with the games when they're playing. Here's the NBA games. Hockey, the hockey deal. Soccer. Weather Channel. Yes, no. CBS again. ABC, Fox, local more stuff. Galavision. These are all Spanish channels here. And there you are. More CS8. And so watch this. I know it's been long. Let me get back to the search bar. If I want to get back to the search bar, I'm just going to select a channel. Like the Pacers are playing in Indiana. Okay, here we go. Hope Road. Okay, there they are. There's the Pacers playing in Indiana. So many channels. When you go to the program guide, you just push this right here, and it breaks it down right here. All the local channels, everything right here. Hope you can see that. What you got going on. And so if I go back to the left, let's say there's even podcasts in Spanish. And so if I go to NCAA, let's go up here. Let's say if I go to Bally Sports, okay, rodeo. I'm gonna watch rodeo. Internet connection may be a little slow. There I am rodeoing. And get this, if I go down here and I push it again and I go down one to the search bar and I select search, okay, and I press and hold this right here, they're here, Little Rock. Little Rock. Types up Little Rock there. And there's the Little Rock local news and everything Little Rock. You can see it's a long video. How do you get this? Well, I've got a link in there. It's got my personal link, all right? And once you sign up in enrollment, it's going to cost you $59 to get all this and more, okay? And once you sign up and you get that, it's going to give you a dashboard if you use my link. And all you got to do is do like me and sign people up under your link because you're signed up underneath me. And it's unlimited. It's first and second tier payout. You get $6 for every person you sign up and $4 for everybody they sign up. So take off on it. God bless you and enjoy the show. Fluid English.